Hello, today here Monica. I want to explain very well about this problem with so many people ask me if the density of a hair topper is enough, if that can cover the back of your head, if you need another topper. I don't know, it depends a lot of your own hair, and we'll be speaking about that. So here we have the two toppers I choose for today. I choose Breeze, and both are lace front, and I choose Airy Elegance. There are two different bases, different as size. I want you to take a look here to see that Airy Elegance has a shorter base, 6.5 with 7-inch, and the other one, the Breeze, have a very generous base. It's a bigger one, so we will understand better why one of them, in this case Breeze, seems to have a lot more hair than Airy Elegance, even if we are going inside on the website and we want to see the description of let's see, of Breeze, for example, because I'm here on Breeze. When you go down, you will see the density 120, the same density you will see on Airy Elegance. But when you try both of them, you will see that actually Breeze, it seems to have more hair than Airy Elegance. Why? Because it's very important the base, no? If the base is bigger, logical, it's more hair. Bigger bases, more hair. Here it's Airy Elegance. Let's take a look. It has a very nice density. Now I think that can cover any kind of hair, but imagine that you don't have so much hair, or you have a shorter hair on the back and you want to use a topper. In this case, maybe Airy Elegance is not a good choice for you. You will need a bigger base, and because if you will see on the back, look how much hair I have here. This is Breeze. Look where it's ending, the base of Breeze. It's here because it's 9 inches. Airy Elegance will be upper, so we have more part of your head without hair. So you don't have enough hair, your own hair, we will not cover enough. I think that Breeze, it can cover, it doesn't matter how much hair you have on the back. Even if you have so very poor hair, Breeze is more than enough. I show you in a mannequin now, because I have no hair, to see. Look, no hair on the back. So let's see this one. This is Breeze, as I told you. So take a look. Look at here. What are you thinking? This is more than enough hair here. Same density, 120 on the website, but as I told you, a bigger base, more hair. Shorter base, not so much hair.